Hello, welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, Director of Relationship Management for Windy City. Today's topic, we're going to talk about, are you an appeaser? What is an appeaser? Winston Churchill defined it as, an appeaser is one who feeds a crocodile, hoping that it will eat him last. Appeaser is one who brings peace by ascending to demands. In your world as a facility manager, are you an appeaser? Are you a person that really hates to say no? Are you one of those people that when a company calls and asks to do business or talk about it, your way out is to hand them a job, one job, with no intention really of ever moving forward with that? That's appeasing the other person. The downside of that is it doesn't bring value. That person who is in sales, who has reached out and now sees an opportunity, doesn't know that there is no plan for future work or anything like that. It's just, you wanted a job and I gave you one. He doesn't know that. So when he does his report or he reports back up to his upper management team, he's going to say, I have an opportunity with this XYZ. And then what happens is, more times than not, there are no more future opportunities. Job is done, could be fine, but there was never any long-term program in sight. And the facility manager did it because they're an appeaser. I don't want to tell him no, so I'll throw him a line and we'll go from there. That doesn't help him. That actually hurts him. Because then that person who's selling or whoever that is trying to get the business has to go back and report that yes, we did one job, yes, we did fine, everything was good, but I'm not getting other opportunities. Then the question is why? Well, the service person may not know. I did what I was asked to do, and I was hoping for more opportunities, and then suddenly there's nothing there. It doesn't help. Don't be a person that just appeases to make the situation go away, because it doesn't go away. Temporarily it might. You know, it's like having an employee that comes in and they want to talk about a couple of problems and you don't know how to address those two problems. So, okay, instead of that, I'll just do this for you. Is that okay? That's temporary. Maybe that makes them happy for today. Maybe it doesn't make them happy at all, but they take it because it's better than nothing. But at the end of the day, you've still never dealt with what the real issues are that that person has. As you think, as you do your business plan, don't be an appeaser. Be honest with people. If there's no opportunity, just tell them that. In the long run, they will be so glad that you actually were just honest. And they can go focus on the customers who may give them a chance, which will turn into a long-term opportunity to do work. So if you're going to give someone one job, have a plan that if it's really good, there will be more opportunities there. Not just a one and done, and then you're complaining because that person's following up with you and trying to get a hold of you. They're doing that because you gave them an opportunity. You would have been better off to have said, I don't have anything for you, and let's agree to chat in 6 months. And maybe I will have something then. Okay? It seems like a very quick decision on your part just to get it off your desk and make it go away. But the truth is it doesn't go away. And then it hurts other people. Don't be an appeaser. Be honest, be real, tell people the real message that you want to get out there. That's my thoughts for today. I always appreciate you listening. If you have any comments or any topics that you would like me to talk about, please send them to me and let me know. We appreciate everyone who listens. Look forward to talking to you next time. Thank you.